Hey guys, it's Kayla. Today I recorded my everyday go-to glam type of look, so if you want to know how to do that, keep on watching. To start, I'm priming my face with the NYX Angel Veil Primer. I'm putting that everywhere just to help with oil and pores and all that. Then I am spot concealing all of my acne with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. And then I'm blending that out with my finger because I feel like it gives more coverage as opposed to blending it out with your beauty sponge. Then I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 105, I believe, and I'm blending that in with a damp beauty blender all over my face as you would with foundation. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm putting a lot of it on under my eyes, and then I'm using it to highlight the center of my face. Now I'm blending that out with the same damp beauty blender that I use to blend in my foundation. Now I'm putting that concealer on my eyelids just so I can use it as an eyeshadow base. Then I'm taking the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder. I have two shades mixed in some Tupperware. It's the shades Fair and Fair Light. One of them is too light for me and one of them is too dark for me, so whenever I mix them together, it's a decent match. I'm putting that everywhere where I crease really bad or I get oily. So everywhere, but especially in my T-zone and around my mouth. Then I'm using the excess powder just to lightly set the rest of my face. I'm also using some more of that powder to put on my eyelids. Now I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using the shade Golden Ochre as a transition shade in my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm pretty much just putting that right over where I put Golden Ochre. Now I'm taking a Warm Taupe on a dense blending brush that's a lot smaller, and I'm packing that on my outer corner, and I'm also bringing it into my crease. I'm doing the same thing with the shade Cypress Umber. Then I'm taking Burnt Orange on the fluffy brush and just using that to help blend everything out. And now I'm taking Shape Tape on a small concealer brush, and I'm doing a half cut crease. I'm blending out the edge with my finger, and then I'm going in with Warm Taupe and Cypress Umber on the small brush again just to blend out the outer corner. Then I'm using the shade Tempera to set the concealer on my eyelid. Now I'm taking my bronzer brush and I'm dusting away all of the excess powder that was sitting on my face. And now I'm using the shade Burnt Orange under my eyes. And then I'm taking Warm Taupe on a small, more defined brush to get into my lash line better. And then I'm using the e.l.f. contour kit, and I'm using the bronzer from there to bronze my face. Now I'm using the contour shade on an angled brush just to contour my face. Now I took a more defined like fan brush just so I could be a little bit more specific around my nose. Now I'm taking Moonstone from Becca and I'm putting that on my inner corners. I also put it on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my brow bone. Now I'm taking a more fluffy brush and I'm using that to put Moonstone on my cheeks. I also put a little bit of it on my forehead, and then now I'm taking La Peach from Jackie Aina and Artist Couture, and I'm just putting that pretty much over everywhere that I put Moonstone. Now I'm taking this orangey shade from the e.l.f. Blush Kit in Light, and I'm using that as blush. Then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Matte Finish Setting Spray, and I'm fanning my face dry with the paper that comes with La Peach, but just fan your face dry, okay? And then using the Kiss Lash Glue on some Ardell lashes. I don't know what the number is or anything. Then I'm taking the Milani Matte Liquid Liner and doing a thin line across my lid just to help everything blend better. Curling my lashes, and then I'm going to put on the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Now I'm putting on the lashes, and I use my hands because I don't like lash tools, but I do go in with a pair of tweezers just to like squeeze the false lashes to my real lashes. Now I'm putting on the Anastasia liquid lip in the shade Ashton, and I'm overlining my lips just because that's what I do. Then I went in and put on like a nice shirt and some jewelry and let my hair down and stuff, and then my dog came in. And yeah, so that's the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video if you liked it. All of my social media and all of the products I use will be listed down below. Thank you.